Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some more spoilers. This is round 2 of the December Ipsy GlamBag Ultimate Box. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which is where I translate Jaclyn Hill's launch video. Congratulations, Tony Marie. Tony says, I love these rant videos. I appreciate your honest opinion. It helps me choose which products are worth buying. Well, Tony, thank you so much, honey. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive into this. First, I'm going to show you the ones that we already know about, and then I'm going to show you the new ones. So the first thing is the 111 Skin Cryo Activating Hydra Gel. Now that is valued at $200, y'all. Lord, how mercy. The next thing is the Morphe 8H Hi-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer Palette, valued at $25. The next thing is the Morphe 8L Lo-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer Palette, also valued at $25. And next is the Complex Culture Contour Blush Brush. This is valued at $35. Now some of the new ones, y'all, is the Too Faced Gingerbread Sugar Kissable Body Shimmer, valued at $32. And then the next thing is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. I think that's how you say that. I'm not sure. It's valued at $28. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Charlene Cummings. Charlene says, I'm not first, but maybe I will be the one you pick. Laugh out loud. Love your channel, Mandy. Well, thank you so much, Charlene. I love you too, honey. And I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you are still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another spoiler. You'll be on top of everything. That's it. That's all I got for you today. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.